Hey guys, it's your boy Jay here with tips on how to make content creation much easier. Now, starting with the first step is planning ahead. Now, when it comes to planning ahead, one thing I will encourage people to do is visualize your shoot. Whatever video that you want to do, make sure you already have that made up in your mind. Make sure it's already created, edited, and just ready for viewing within your mind. Trust me, when you do that, all the rest is just, follow along. Next up is repurposing your content. Now, from a blog post, you can have multiple videos created from a blog post. From infographics, you can create videos from infographics. You can create videos from larger scale projects, and just repurpose any kind or any form of content. Next up is utilizing content creation tools. One is graphic design. You could use Photoshop or Canva to do your graphic designs. Next up is video editing, which you could go with Premiere Pro, CapCut, or InShot. Next up is setting your content goals. Now, with setting your content goals, you basically set your goals, and whatever content you create, it helps with following that path. Now, you're not gonna stray off from your path or go different place or do different contents. Definitely you're gonna be following that particular path to do all of your contents, and trust me, it's much easier and it really doesn't give that much time or doesn't stress you that much. And lastly, what I want to tell anyone out there is to stay inspired. Staying inspired is one thing that keeps you growing. Having the vision, your plans and goals and all that keeps you going. You gotta be inspired. You gotta be inspired for what you do. You gotta keep pushing. Never ever get tired, because content is it's hard. Trust me, it is hard. But then again, is it's a peaceful thing. It's a lovable thing. So stay inspired. Keep creating. Basically, that's just it. So by following these steps or following these methods, you can now streamline your content creation process to make it much easier and effective. Now, if this was helpful, simply hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And until next time, I'll see you. It's your boy Jay. Peace out.